very, very, very difficult to sample. So they just kind of get
it looks
all
very
sorts of
like
shredded.
gelatinous.
Yeah. You sometimes you kind of have to collect the rock that these things are on.
That makes sense.
And
is it carnivorous?
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm not sure what exactly it eats. Probably not large things. But when your body is gelatinous, you don't need a huge calorie load to persist.
Oh, thank you.
And it just collects things that kind of filter through with the current?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, or opportunistically. Sometimes these animals have attractants. You know, maybe it has some sort of bioluminescence.
Leela, I'm
something to
pausing
lure
6 and
its
7.
prey in.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try to reset the software because I'm having this problem with 4.
Yeah, parallel to the line of waypoints is fine. Yeah.
Cool. Speaking of luring
and then it was
prey.
pump 4 that was
it's still
continuing.
running. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to turn it off and restart and see what happens.
Yeah, speaking of luring prey, I would love to see an anglerfish, chaunacops on...
Oh, chaunacops, yeah, maybe.
On
We're getting into that range.
Oh, that'd be so
1,500 meters and shallower, typically.
If you're listening and you have not seen the chaunacops highlights video on nautiluslive.org, highly recommend. They are adorable. That and the stubby-eyed, or the googly-eyed squid. Googly-eyed stubby squid. Love them. Leela, if you had to pick something you'd like to see on our expedition, what do you think it would be?
I mean, beyond like the really big ones.
Yeah.
I would, this is actually a really big one, but it's worth saying I would die to see a whale fall.
Yeah.
Like I know that's 1 in a million, but what are we looking at here?
Just a minute here. I'm wondering, can we cut off power to the sampler and restart it? Just a second. Yes. And then just turn it off and then wait a minute and then let's restart it.
For those of you listening in, we're just doing a little troubleshooting with our eDNA Multipuffer, one of the 2 methods that we are currently using to sample eDNA on this dive.
Yeah, there's something there.
Thank you. Let's see what happens.
Also, Annette, I'm ready for the water filter to mount.
Yeah,
I'll no rush whenever you're good.
Okay, let me just see.
What do we have here? What is that?
I think that's a bunch of sponge rubble, sponge pieces.
Gotcha.
I haven't really seen a lot of high density or high diversity.
Yeah.
I'm going to restart, Leela, restarting 6 and 7. Okay.
All right.
Again, like you said, the current's not super strong here either, it doesn't seem like. Oh, there's...
Yeah, this is some sponge rubble with ophiuroid, brittle stars. Okay, bring it out. Yeah, I think I would like to get, I mean, we're pretty close to the summit of this seamount, but I would like to get up a little bit higher and see if it makes a difference.
Do you know where the summit what depth the summit
It's about
is?
1600. It goes up a bit shallower,
Yeah,
actually.
but the poor boy's gonna freeze over there.
We're currently at 1621 meters below the sea surface.
Nice.
Leela, I'm restarting 6 and 7, trying
Doesn't
that
Kelsey
again.
live in Alaska?
Heard, thank you.
Okay.
Maybe another anemone up there.
Is this one that we have seen already?
All right,
I
6
think it
and
is.
7
You can do a snap zoom. Just check.
are
A little too
running.
small.
So
All right.
we're back to running. Okay.
And 4
No,
is
this is
off.
anemone.
4 is now off. Okay. And so I can give you the numbers for 4 and 5 if you're ready.
I am ready for them.
Okay, so
Still got that blanket if you want.
You want to snap
4
zoom on that video?
Snap zoom.
was 102,851.
102,851.
Oh, thank you.
And 5 was 177,199.
177,199.
All right. We've already
Yep.
seen this one
Yes,
before.
we
so
saw this
Okay,
on a
bringing it up.
previous
I was playing with some
2
of my
dives ago.
SPL levels. Roger. Okay. Come on out and I'll move along.
Keep it moving.
Yeah. I think we
You're
would be
cool
fine
anemone,
for
but we
another
want something
shaboom.
cooler.
We don't have any layback, so yeah. Now I'm the Miss Frizzle.
I loved the magic school bus growing up so much.
Yeah, that was like my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
This
I
was
heard
the
they're
one
like-
that we just saw shortly ago.
The one we collected.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, very similar morphology.
Roger.
Yeah, I heard they're trying to make a
I'll try
like
to
a
find
live action
something new.
magic school bus.
Oh, how could you even though?
I don't know. CGI, I guess. How are they gonna go through the body?
That's what I'm saying.
That's also always been a Halloween costume dream of mine.
Miss Frizzle?
Ooh, you
Yeah.
could kill
I
that.
believe in you. You could pull it off.
Another dead sponge stalk or something.
Yeah, they're around here. We saw a live one down deeper,
Mm-hmm.
but haven't seen a live one since.
Do you know what kind, like, of sponge you're gonna?
Yeah, it's a type of farreid sponge, and the genus is. I had it up earlier.
Sorry, getting off in the cabbage.
Aspidoscopulia. It's a pretty widespread species. We find it all over the place. It's been sampled extensively throughout the northern Pacific, Hawaiian archipelago, Johnston Atoll, Wake Island. I know there's some material, Line Islands, there's some material, so it's not unusual to see it here, and it's probably the same or similar species.
Gotcha.
But even in all those other places, we still see this, where we see a lot more rubble than we do the live specimens.
Any ideas why that might be? Why they're like,
Oh, you were
we
like,
see so
"What is
many of the dead ones?
Yeah, silica, which makes, it's glass. It's what makes up the body of the sponge. It's not very soluble in seawater, so it persists a long time, way longer than calcium carbonate does, things that make up coral skeletons.
Right.
And so when sponges start to degrade, they just persist for a long time because it takes a lot longer for their skeletal elements to dissolve.
Gotcha.
Well,
And there's some plankton also made of silica, right?
Yep, yeah, diatoms have, you know.
I love diatoms. They're so cool. They make shells, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're all sorts of cool shapes.
here, you want to zoom in on this?
Who do we have here?
The squat lobster?
Yeah, who's hiding out?
It looks like another, maybe an
Anemone?
anemone under there?
Yeah.
Looks like.
Actually, you know what we got there?
What?
What? Cucumber.
Exactly. There you go. You know, you've seen them
Speaking
before.
of hairdos,
Yeah.
This is actually no. It's actually not a squat lobster, but it's another type of crustacean called a homolid.
cool.
Homolid crab, and yeah, they carry. Think like how hermit crabs carry shells. You know,
Oh,
these homolids carry anemones on their back.
that's so cool.
They have a modified pair
Okay, you
of
can-
legs that we'll see more as we get shallower. They're
Okay.
they
Coming
become
out?
way more
Zoom out,
abundant.
yeah.
Absolutely.
But this one's in a crevice because
Neat.
Is it
Or
related at all to the crabs that carry the anemones on their hands? Have you seen those?
I don't.
The boxer
I think
crabs?
it's a different group.
Okay.
Yeah.
I use that a lot as an example of
I'm
symbiosis.
just going to turn you up because there's
There's
too
so
many
many-
people in my
A
area.
lot more of these
Yeah.
as we get shallower.
Am I talking too quiet?
Crabs have so many like interesting strategies going on.
Okay.
Like in the Pacific Northwest, we have a ton of the decorator crabs, which take
Perfect.
little bits of sponge and algae and stick them to their carapace.
I love that.
Yeah.
Now these homolids have their rearmost pair of appendages are actually modified to hold on to things above their body,
Oh, wow.
so they're not for walking.
There's another one,
They're
I
for,
think.
yeah,
Yeah.
specific. Is it
You want to
to,
do a snap
like, help protect
on
them?
this one? Oh,
Since the
thanks,
anemone
really
has,
good
like,
question.
stinger
I don't know.
cells?
Oh yeah, he's moving. See if I can.
Oh yeah, there's
Get
a
that.
Oh, little hermit
Is it a hermit crab?
hermit crab with an anemone on its back.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think because
Adorable.
I bonked the ground. Yeah.
It does look like it has a fun hat.
Yeah. There we are. Cool. All right, you can
Okay.
cut one out. I'm gonna get. So we're settled out. I think we could keep moving.
Great question
feel
that just
about
came
that,
in. I know we've talked about this before,
Yeah.
but
Okay,
Steve, I
let's
might
do
see if you
initiative.
would help me out with it. Is the sand here the same type of sand we found on
Yeah,
our
is this
beaches?
still kind of.
It's not. The sand here is small foraminiferous shells,
Right.
and so they're
250.
small animal carcasses that are planktonic, and then they drift down and accumulate on the bottom over time.
Very
Sure.
cool. Everything
And your
falls
beach
to the
sand
bottom.
is probably erosion,
Sure.
eroded rocks
let's do it.
and things like that.
Cool.
If you live in the tropics and you know, there are some beaches, for
Perfect.
example, that have oolitic sands, which are basically just balls of pure calcium carbonate that precipitate out of the water.
Perfect.
Oh.
There's a lot of those in the tropical Western Atlantic. There's probably the same kind of
See some
situation
things
somewhere in the
up in there.
Pacific, but where you
Gotcha.
have very alkaline calcium carbonate rich surface waters, they will often precipitate out.
Okay.
Some stuff
This
coming up.
person
another type of
is
mineral
from
sand.
Singapore, and they're asking a little bit about that.
Hmm.
A lot of those sponges.
Also, our dive, we're scheduled to end at 8, is that correct?
8 a.m.
On deck.
On deck at 8. So if you're watching, we still have several hours left, a little less than 6 hours left to explore these amazing environments.
Another sponge we sampled earlier.
Yeah.
Another good question, this one might be more at Val's alley, about the age of the basalt on the seafloor. Do you guys know anything about that?
I know she was mentioning that some of the rocks up here could be like, I think, I'm like so scared of misquoting her, but like several million years old within the range of that.
I know the one that I got to help cut open the other day from a previous dive, she said she estimated around 70 to 80 million years old.
Which is incredible.
Absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah. What she was saying on the watch before this one was that this ferromanganese crust takes a really long time to accumulate.
Yeah.
So when we're seeing these really thick crusts, it's a sign of a lot of age.
Yeah, yeah. Just like layering upon layering upon layering.
Yeah. Val, if I misquoted you. I'm sorry.
We're all learning here.
That would make sense. Is that how all rocks
I thought
form,
you were
though?
asking like what age rocks are, and I was like,
I have no idea. That's another Val question. I don't know.
how is a rock formed?
Because does every rock come from liquid?
Again, did not take many geology courses, mainly biology.
I keep meaning to take one because I want to do deep sea science.
Yeah,
so
I only
it's
took
like,
one.
Ahead of
I
you.
took it as like my very last
go look at this
semester
thing.
of college. Just like basic geology. But again, that was years ago. Not going to tell you how many years though.
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
Is it another?
You're only as old as you
anemone?
feel.
Want to zoom in?
Yeah.
Roger. Yeah, just another little anemone. Is this like ones we've been seeing?
Yeah. Yeah, this
This one's
an
still growing
anemone.
out its hair.
Yeah.
In the sediment.
Alright, yeah. Come on back up.
Still trying to work on that new
style.
that new style.
See how
You could
this?
probably get one not so different from that. Get some like really thick hair cream and get like spikes going up.
I've always wanted to do that, like with my long hair. When I let it down, it's actually pretty long. It goes like down to my shoulders.
Is this just sponge
But I've always
detritus,
wanted to
or
get like
is it-
super
looks like
hard
Snap
gel or
on
hairspray,
Snap.
make it stick out.
Is this sponge detritus or is
Yep.
it? Yeah. Okay.
sponge
Okay.
rubble.
Okay.
Come back out.
So is that
I got excited.
like,
Maybe we would see
we've
like
seen
oil.
these stalks that hold a little more shape. Is this like an older specimen or is it just a different type
Could just
of?
be a different sponge, yeah, in more advanced degradation.
I feel like we've
Tough
got a
to
little
tell.
bit more current here.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah, the marine snow's moving up in the top.
Believe it or not, some rocks
Guess
come
I don't
from
know
outer
where else.
space.
Oh well.
Wow. Yeah,
Is this anything new?
that's a bolosoma. It's a
Same as the
some
one.
we've seen in a while. Yeah.
Bonk. Sorry.
You're raking it in $5 a bonk.
Some rocks also come from animals. Yeah.
Fossils?
What? Oh
Or
yeah, right.
Corals. Stony
Oh
corals.
yeah.
Well, this is a.
My sister said she can see me, but she can't hear me because she can't turn the sound on at work. So I'm gonna do a little wave for her.
There's one of those sponge stalks, but still upright. Hasn't fallen over yet.
Yeah, it's got a lot of those.
So many stars.
stars on it.
We don't have to zoom on it. We can
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I think
Oh, there's a
we
big
are
sea
good
star.
for another.
Big sea star.
Yeah, we'll take a zoom on this, but yeah.
And that
I think we're
star?
good. Yeah, we're gonna look at the star. Alright, I'm gonna just get close to it. What was that? Why'd that go black?
Whoa. Oh,
Sorry.
good.
Sure. Just wait a minute.
Oh.
All right, zoom in. Sorry, Steve, you did want to zoom on this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Is that a different kind than what we've seen so far on this watch?
Yeah, I don't think we've seen this one yet at all, but
It's impressive.
I will have to look this one up.
Cool.
I know it's been collected elsewhere in
You
the
don't?
North Pacific.
I want to, like, rub it against my face.
I feel like we could make a whole...
It looks like exfoliating.
I feel like we could make a whole classification system of like Levi and Rye's.
Oh, I've already got one going in my head.
Texture opinions.
I don't know the scientific names of anything, but I'm cataloging that sponge earlier
textures.
was like cotton candy, so.
Jotting that down.
Love it.
Cool.
All right.
All right, we good with that?
Yep, great.
All right, come on out. I think I panned over a little bit. All right, yeah, I am good to do another ship move. I'll get
Copy.
kind of over. Thank you. This is a stalked
Another
crinoid
stalk.
over.
Yeah.
Yep,
Oh, there's
it's a sea lily.
It's a little bit hard to. It's downhill, I mean, but.
Yeah, that. So typically, these sea lilies will face down current, and that it's facing uphill suggests that there's not really a consistent flow regime in this area. Some of the sponges are down, facing downslope.
We've been seeing a few of these already, though, right, Steve?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Yeah. So I think this is in the family Hyocrinidae.
Roger.
We saw one immediately
Really
after we
pretty
got on
color.
bottom during the last dive.
Want to do like just a quick zoom?
Yeah,
Sure.
Just as we're floating by.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's associated animals on the stalk too.
Oh yeah, there's something on the...
Yeah, it looks like something.
Oh
You
yeah,
got
you
some
got
small
those.
amphipods or isopods.
One of them is
usually.
like
little brittle star
waving
below
at
it
us.
There's a
too.
xenophyaphore.
That was a beautiful zoom video.
Yeah.
The jelly's a
Thank you.
xenophyaphore there.
Looks
and
like that
then
bottom one's hanging on for dear life.
Yeah.
anemone. Yeah.
See if we can get the head.
It's such a unique color.
Yeah. I haven't seen a lot of yellow
It's like
stuff.
a mustard yellow.
Yeah, it's the same kind of
Alright,
idea.
you can
The
come
warmer
up.
colors like yellows and reds are.
Steve, what was that genus you mentioned?
It's a family. It's Hyocrinidae.
Hyocrinidae? Thank you.
Yeah, I wrote it in the sea log.
Neat. Well, this is something we've been seeing, right?
Yeah, the polyophigon
Yeah.
sponge. Yeah, we
Alright.
can note it and move on.
Yeah.
So, Rye, if you had to pick one thing on this dive to see that you would be most excited to see, what would it be?
Oh, like ever? A whale for sure.
Oh, well,
Whale
yeah.
for sure.
Same.
I would also be quite tickled by like
It's this thing here. Looks like debris.
maybe a
metallic.
chonops would be cool.
I
Metallic trash here.
Yeah. Do you want to look at it?
No, not trash again.
Yeah.
Looks like
You want to snap in video just see what are we looking at? Yeah, that looks man-made.
Whoa.
Battery?
Battery. Is it a beer
Yeah.
can?
I don't know.
It's maybe a big battery.
Um,
It's got a label on it.
Camphor ice.
Can
All right.
or
Oh
It's
yeah.
a can.
Oh.
Don't
Out
throw
here.
your trash in the ocean.
That's wild. That's our second trash we've seen.
The seafloor is the world's biggest museum.
Yeah, that's a good way of putting it. What's that? Is that just a little...
Yeah, I see what you're looking at, that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take a quick snap.
You wanna go in video?
All right.
See what that is?
Yeah.
Ship movement is complete.
Roger. Oh, it's movie.
It's an
Is
urchin.
that a potato?
It's another potato.
But it moved.
A moving. Oh yeah, it looks like it has little
it's
feet.
a little yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's an urchin.
Oh. All right.
Okay, bringing it out.
All right. Bring it out.
Yeah, urchin. So the thing about urchins is that they're so difficult to sample, and there's a lot of value in keeping them intact. But the calcium carbonate, the shell that makes up their body, or test it's called, is so thin. Sometimes it even is leathery in the deep sea, and so it can puncture and perforate very easily.
So
very fragile.
It's very tough to sample them, yeah. If I see a worthy candidate, definitely
another
will
ship step.
Yeah.
test your abilities
Let's do
there.
another.
Do we ever collect the trash?
We haven't.
Yeah.
So believe it or not, in the areas that I've been working in recently, like in the Pacific, U.S. Pacific Remote Islands, Pacific Islands Heritage Marine National Monument, it is not permissible to remove trash from the sanctuaries.
That seems
I
like
see.
counteract. Like I don't know. Interesting.
Well, for
But
example,
I know we're trying to get
yeah.
scientific specimens, so we may not want to contaminate things. But yeah.
Yeah, you have to, for everything you do, you have to be permitted, and there's actually a lot of things that are, so for example, around a lot of remote islands out here, you find Second World War debris and rubble.
Gotcha.
And, shell casings and things like that are not uncommon.
Right,
and
right.
those are archaeological, have archaeological value now.
Exactly, yes.
So yeah. Also, some of the most difficult things that you would want to remove, like fishing gear, is just hazardous to do so.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. It makes sense.
Imagining trying to remove fishing line with Herc is like stressing me out just thinking about it.
So we've gotten caught like a few times. And that's why we carry a knife.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
So yeah, like one of the things we're always kind of watching for, and it's really hard to spot lines in the water, but that's kind of one of the things that we're watching for. We had one once where I saw a line from Atalanta that basically Herc had already passed under. It was like between Herc and Atalanta, basically just like a ghost line in the water.
Yeah, that's no good. Just got a cool or an interesting comment that can that we saw, the design dates from the 1940s, so maybe it was from World War II era.
That's wild.
Pretty cool. Also, another question about how deep we are. We are currently at 1,586 meters below the sea surface. And thank you, Alex Hawley, for Leela.
Oh my God. Hi, Alex. That was not the name I would have expected. How's it going, Homer?
Alright, I'm just looking at things.
There's definitely a very clear current now coming from the north, which is, optimistic.
Yeah.
We're seeing some more stuff up here.
Sorry.
Another one of them sponges that we collected
Gotta
earlier.
catch up.
Yeah. Sure, yeah, we got a little bit of layback, but yeah. Do another ship move. I was trying to look at things, but... Sorry, Dan, I am getting closer to the seafloor, so your iris won't need to...
Ship is moving.
Yeah.
So when we see stronger current as we go higher up, is that because of the way the seamount interacts with the water currents? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we were kind of in a little pocket canyon in part of the dive track, and we've kind of emerged out of the top of the canyon. You can imagine, it's somewhat secluded from a lot of the ripping currents. So as you get up on top of the seamount, you get more accelerated flows, yeah. So we're emerging from that shadow. That's one of the reasons we typically like to dive on ridges, is because ridges have unobstructive flows, usually.
All the way up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Trumpets. Oh, yeah, that's going to be...
Yeah, that's another Atlantisella sponge. Seems to be the, pretty
Here, you can see it in
close to
video.
being the numerically
Yeah.
abundant sponge at this site. Closely rivaling the Bolosoma. Oh, there's something behind it. Small crustacean, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe a hermit crab. I'm glad we got a piece of this because it'd be useful to ID.
Yeah. Cool. Are those little white spots in there just parts of the... Are they sand or...?
There's probably small crustaceans in there. Like I see some amphipods maybe. There's also, some of those small dots are
you can zoom out video.
the part of sand particles or foraminiferous shells, yeah.
It's interesting. I feel like on H2109
Yeah, I'm coming up
that we did, as we got higher up, it was really the corals that started appearing in a lot higher densities.
Yeah.
Is there a reason that different sites would favor different classes like that? Or is that too...
I wish we had all the information to holistically characterize the site, but seamounts are really dynamic. They have really incredible substrate characteristics. They have very complex oceanography. The biology is very finely tuned to certain types of habitats. It's so many different variables, and we really don't have a good idea of how things are distributed on seamounts, and we don't have good models for that yet. We do know that generally, if there's better flow conditions, you're going to end up with more things. So, but as long as it's not too much flow, you don't want ripping currents so much so that it's hard for animals to attach.
To hold on, yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of like that Goldilocks zone.
It's a Goldilocks, yeah.
Are we currently in a protected area?
I don't believe so.
Okay, I didn't think so, but I wanted to double check. Question that just came in.
Roger. Got a fair amount of layback.
Yeah, not according to the map on the dive plan at least.
We will be in a couple, I think. Yeah. What are we, Thursday?
Oh, I'm just saying we got a fair amount of layback. Maybe we wait for it to settle out.
We will be at the early start of next week.
Okay.
I think is the plan.
Bicar and Bocac?
Yeah.
Is that how you pronounce it, Mariana?
Bicar and Bocac.
Bicar and Bocac.
Yeah.
I'm gonna zoom on this video.
Yeah, what do we got here?
What's that?
Yeah, that was just designated a protected area earlier this year, I believe, too, which is really great.
Yep. We'll have about a solid week to work in the sanctuary.
Amazing.
All right,
the
you
bottle
can go
brush,
ahead.
chrysogorgia. Or is it?
I'm more control of that.
It's nope. It's
Anybody home?
Is it? I can't tell. It's a very a
Yeah.
chrysogorgia species, but
Yeah.
it's a very small colony. Everything here is very small.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Bringing it
All
back
right,
out.
we can zoom out.
Oh my gosh. More countries, or more people from new countries visiting and watching. We've got Hungary is now joining us, Austria, Colombia, Puerto Rico, and the Netherlands, as well as some that we've had watching for the past couple hours. And for those of you just tuning in, audience members that may have just signed on, we are currently exploring the waters of the Republic of the Marshall Islands near Bikini Atoll on Wedijabato Seamount. And we are currently at 1,567 meters below the surface.
I think there's something up here.
Yeah, something big. This is a larger chrysogorgia coral, and it'll have some associated crustaceans in it too.
Yeah, let's take. Oh, there's something really big over there too. All right. Yeah, you can go for a zoom video. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Got us looking at something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this is a chrysogorgia octocoral, and it's got a Uroptychus squat lobster living in it. At least one. Sometimes there's multiple.
Is that a sponge living in it as well, or is that behind it?
I think it's behind it.
Behind it, yeah.
Very cool.
All right, coming out.
Oh, all right.
Just had a question come in. Since we are close to Bikini Atoll, is there any
Those are a bit behind me,
latent...
Steve. I would have to move the ship, I think, if you wanted to.
No,
Okay.
let's keep going up.
Roger.
the question was, is there any latent radiation measurable? So
Just
on
gonna get
this
a little
expedition,
more ahead, and then we'll move the ship again.
on this expedition, we won't be actually testing samples for radiation. That was not a community elevated priority that was requested in our co-planning process by the Republic of the Marshall Islands organizations.
There's another one of these.
But can I say that there's low radiation?
I do not know.
Can I say that the science manager came into the data lab and pointed a Geiger counter at me?
Oh, really?
Yeah, Chris.
That's
let's
funny.
see the ship move.
I can tell you that there is no danger,
No danger.
to the ship working in this area. These are, to be some sort of danger, it'd have to be large dosage or long exposure, which we will not
We're ready
experience.
for another ship move.
280?
Yeah, that's still getting us up the slope then.
And again, we are on dive number NA174. Or sorry, expedition number NA174.
You're all right, then I'm not stopping to zoom on all these, right, Steve?
No, yeah, we can keep
Yeah,
going.
okay.
Yep.
Just trying to see if we
The
can
slope
find
is
new
still pretty
things.
impressive. I thought it would start to
Level off.
level off a little bit, but we're going to have to make some decisions about what we're going to do after we get to the depth at waypoint 9. Can we zoom out and back a little bit and take a look at the bigger landscape?
Would this be the top, very top right here?
Local top.
Okay,
yeah.
gotcha.
Can I look at...
Oh yeah, zooming out to get a little better view.
Dan, we're going to look under this crevice over here that's got that
Oh,
color
that
to
color,
it.
yep.
Yeah.
All right, I see what you're saying. Good to go.
Yeah, just get in there, see what... Is that just
Anybody
more
home?
sponge detritus, or... Yeah...
The rusty
more
color?
the
Yeah.
barnacle?
Inadvertently, you're looking at a green blob as well.
Yeah, that just might be some oxidation
Yeah,
of
alright.
the ferromanganese
I'll
crust.
come back out.
Cool. Alright.
All right, I think
So we've got
after this,
Yeah.
big picture navigationally, I think we're gonna head northwards, kind of along this same isobath, but let's go up slope until it starts to definitely level off noticeably. And eventually we'll take a turn northwards, but we want to keep going up until it starts to level off.
Copy that.
So we can add in waypoints, like you can add in waypoint 10 when we find the crest of the ridge up here.
Cool.
Okay.
We forge our own path on
Yeah.
EV Nautilus.
I'm going to then just looking at where we are. I think we're ready to pump off, turn off 6 and 7.
Sounds good. Are we starting 8 and 9 then?
Yes. Just give me a second here.
Just let me know when.
Yeah.
Go
Hang
back
on.
over here.
Really digging the shape of that sponge. It's cool looking.
Now that I'm in a
Okay,
dust
6
cloud.
and 7 are off. And let's see. Eight and 9 are on.
Lovely, thank you.
Yep.
So Dan, anything in particular you would really like to see on this expedition as we're diving?
And I feel like the good ones got covered. Whales, mermaids, what more could you ask
Yeah, the
for?
ship is stationary.
So much more, so much cool stuff out there.
Are we, sorry, fill me on, are we wanting to change heading or anything, or?
Let's keep
I'll think on that. I'll get back to you.
going up until
Sounds
Okay.
good.
So.
we get to the top of the ridge.
Perfect. Okay, yeah. Let's do another ship move. I got a shrimp.
It looks like it, is it stuck? Or is it swimming? I can't tell. Oh, it's swimming.
Oh, bonk. Sorry. Ruined my cinematic. You want to zoom in video just for...
I love these
Just
swimming
for
shrimp.
fun.
Their little legs are so cute.
See if I can maintain a zoom over a period of time.
Nope.
Yeah. This is how you get wraps in the tether, is you just follow fish and shrimp around. Yeah, you're like, where am I?
Bested
Only
by a
shrimp
shrimp.
exists.
Right. He's like, this is for eating all my relatives.
Yeah. It's very pretty. I
Hey.
like how their feet move.
I do too.
Mhm.
I love it.
Alright, come back. Oh, see if we can find anything. Oh, hey, what we got? Here, sorry. I'm coming up a little bit. There's something that just passed. Very large. Where'd it go?
Very large. Very large what?
It was large and pink and swimming like a fish.
Large and pink and swimming like a fish?
Yes.
Sounds like a mermaid.
Or chaunacops.
Or a whale.
Or a whale. See if anybody sees anything in this side.
The famous pink whales of the Marshall Islands.
We aren't the first people to explore the seamount, so you never know.
Can you guys stick with that upper view? Interesting. Well,
come back.
where'd he go?
We
What
come in
is
peace. Unless we need to collect you.
Alright, not gonna go too much farther. Alright, well. C'est la vie. It was something though.
Maybe it'll come back.
Yeah, maybe. Sometimes things are attracted to the, like the sound. Herc is very loud under the water. It's making this like.
Gotcha. And vibrations
what is
too, I
this?
assume.
Is this crinoid?
Crinoid, yeah.
Because it's not as.
Yeah, let's bypass that and keep going.
Yeah, it looks like there's more stuff back here, right?
Yep. So I think we're finally getting on top of the seamount now.
Yeah, it looks like
Yeah,
it
kinda
just
looks like
leveled
it's
out on
leveling.
Catalina's sonar.
And then I'm ready for the water filter to mount for 6 and 7, whenever you are.
Sure. Pump 6. 104940.
Getting pretty far out.
104940.
Another strap down there.
I'm sorry, did you say 104?
Motion
Complete. 940.
Roger.
Confirm.
Pump 7. 101422.
What?
101422.
Yes.
Thank you.
Some stalk
Table 1.
structures.
That's table 1. Do you want me to bring it down?
So we are about 1,545 meters below the
Steve?
surface.
Yeah.
Finally
Let me know what
reaching
you
the
wanna
top of that
see.
seamount.
So let's make one more move in the direction we were heading,
Yeah. Sounds great.
and we'll just see if it
Yeah.
levels off anymore. It looks to be a moderated slope, but I want to still keep going up in that direction because there's more stuff.
Let's do one more move because we were basically out of layback, so.
Copy that.
Just had a question about
Yeah, what have we been doing lately? 20s? Do you want 30-meter move, Steve, or?
Let's do another 20.
Okay, we'll do another 20.
Just had a question about if the shrimp tend to swim away from the light in your experience when you see them.
That's awesome, thank
I
you.
think they're kind of light agnostic.
Okay.
Sometimes shrimps will swim towards,
Gotcha.
but
Roger. Oh,
yeah, I don't think they really care much about.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get
Like you said earlier, probably have other
Oh,
ways
right.
to sense their surroundings
sound here.
and what's there.
Yep.
There we go. You're still good for tether wraps? Yeah, okay, nice.
That shrimp was trying to get your eye, but we're
I
not going
know.
to let it happen.
Well, the big pink squiggly thing in my periphery was really trying to get me, but it's gonna haunt me. Sometimes you see stuff like that and it's like optical illusion, like it's really close to your camera, so you think it's massive, but it's actually like a tiny, tiny little jellyfish or something.
Yeah.
So So could have been that scenario. Maybe I'll tell myself it was that.
Yeah.
I did see a mola fish
Really?
once in our back camera.
Wow.
But it was the same thing. I couldn't really tell. I was like, maybe this is one of those little tiny like jellyfish that kind of has fins on it.
Uh-huh.
And then we turned around and it was a huge fish.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Like, that was one of the cool moments. All right. I'm just kind of waiting for Atalanta to catch up to me, so.
Another cool sponge.
Just kind of panning around.
I really like
definitely
those
getting
sponges.
pushed by current.
Really cool morphology.
Can you describe the current and direction?
Yep. So this is sticks off. I'm gonna get pushed. I guess for me that would be due north.
You're getting pushed north. Okay, that's I think that's the direction we're gonna eventually head in.
Yeah, sounds good.
It's gonna be potentially a downslope or kind of a hummocky.
Cool.
But not severe.
Cool. It's not like unmanageable at all right now. It's just more noticeable than before.
Yeah, you can definitely see like the marine snow kind of moving around a little bit more.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think Caulophacous sponges are the number one thing here. Actually,
lots of sediment over there.
We're hanging out or waiting for a ship.
Basically, we're just waiting for Atalanta to catch up.
Can we look at this?
Yeah, for sure. I'll just get a little closer.
That anemone kind of looking thing?
No, the sponge here.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I'm just gonna get closer,
Yep.
Dan.
Mm-hmm.
All right, camera down. Oh. Shit. Yeah, you can push it.
There's
tight.
an anemone
We'll
over
take
to
a
the
look.
right as well.
No, that's okay. No, I didn't. Sorry. I should have.
There's a brittle star too.
Yeah,
Nice.
so can we snip this and throw it in the forward box? This is the most abundant sponge at this site, this Bolosoma. And it would be really nice to get this in our reference library. We've seen it at other sites too, so.
I'm gonna bring you a little bit
It's
closer.
a small enough specimen that it should be nice and easy, manageable.
Yeah, that would also explain why Here, I'm gonna get you closer. Oh, yeah.
We're grabbing this?
Yeah.
Cool.
Just setting down. All right, let's try that. And I will retract your camera when you get it.
Let me know if you want a little bit closer view on that. All right.
Yeah, that looks good. At least half.
Is it gonna be brittle or kind of squishy?
No, it's probably squishy. Nice and easy.
Grab.
All right.
Coming out.
I'm gonna retract your camera.
Can we get a look in the jaw, tight zoom?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Get it closer, or whenever you want to do it. So there might be an associated animal with this, and it looks like maybe there's a small amphipod or something that.
Oh, something right in there, yeah.
We'll see if that stays on
I'll
the
bring
sponge,
back out.
or it might fall off. So
Sorry, I thought that was your arm
make a
moving.
note. Possible amphipod associate.
Cool.
Usually the amphipods fall off in the box somewhere, but maybe we can recover it from.
It's because I'm stick locked going here. I'm just gonna set down that better. There we go. Perfect. Okay.
Would this also be a place
We
we'd
want
see
it in the
those
front
big
box,
yellow
so I'm gonna retract your
sponges that
camera.
we saw?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's the
okay.
same.
And I'll give you a little view of the, okay, and then I'm not gonna bring this all the way out, right? Forward box. Oh, spicy. Let's turn that down. How do you feel about that? And you're okay with it in lambda, Steve?
Sounds good.
Oh, interesting.
Oh,
Alright.
the current.
The current, no.
Yeah. So, camera is fully retracted currently. Do you want me to? Yeah, I can take a look at that. Okay. If you look at porch, maybe? Tool?
Those huge Just had a comment that those big yellow sponges have been called cheese
You don't see it, do you?
All right, that's all right. They're
we'll just have
they're
to-
everywhere here.
Get another one.
Yeah, I'm gonna
We'll
close
keep-
the box.
So I've been
looking.
identifying some of those as Caulophacous.
There are
to the
some
right
small
of our porch
differences,
there?
but that's okay.
Or
And
sorry,
is
left
there
of
a
our porch there?
mix here, or is
There's a
all of
mix,
it been
yeah.
okay? Okay.
Yeah. The difference is how
Alright.
the stalk
Are
attaches
you happy
to
with where the arm is?
the head of the sponge.
What are the
Sorry,
major
what were you
differences
pointing at?
like
The
in the
other one?
attachment?
Caulophacous will attach, like, there's a stalk and it attaches
Yeah.
through the back of the sponge. They're actually, they're different families.
Yeah, I mean, we're
Bolosoma kind of goes up
pretty
through the
stationary
bottom
right
of it,
now.
Gotcha.
But our like big three have been the Antlantisella, the Caulophacus, and the
Here we go.
Bolosoma.
Okay.
Cool. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Is that what we want to do? We want to try to get another one of those?
Yeah, let's we will keep an eye out, but
Okay.
let's start moving northward.
Okay.
And kind of track
Roger.
due
Need
north.
to spin this way.
Continuing on Friends and Family Day, one of my good friends just said hello. Hey Kim, hope you're doing well.
You're looking like kind of straight down at me almost. Yes.
Steve, did you want me to put this as waypoint 10?
Yeah, but why don't you stick a few waypoints north of 9 and we'll kind of just use them as guidelines.
Okay.
Yeah.
Am I, so are we going to head northbound now?
Yeah, that looks like a good point. We'll call that 10.
Okay, yeah. Let's do the starboard turn now. And then I'm gonna make sure my camera is actually squared up because
Yeah, pretty much just bearing 360.
yeah, okay, I'll get over there. Yeah, roger. Here, I'm getting out in front of you.
Yeah, a lot of sediment here.
Yeah, we're at the top, and
So that's
A lot
where-
of good rocks.
Oh
sediment
yeah.
will accumulate in the pockets. And yeah, these are probably more nodule-y, not great quality for basalts, and there actually might even be carbonates up here, but some of
go
it
ahead
still
and-
looks like
Huh.
pillows.
Yeah, I'm
basalt.
ready.
But
Unless,
mostly these nodule type
is
morphology
this the
rocks.
same kind, Steve?
It may be. I can snap zoom. What is that?
Something on the left looks kind of weird.
I'm actually more curious about that.
Yeah.
So this is Caulophacous
Yeah,
on the right side. Do you see how it's attaching from the back? Let's go look at this first.
Okay.
We'll have time to look at the sponges later.
Yeah, okay. Are we going to want to look at those sponges after we look at this, Steve?
No, let's just look at this, and we'll go back to the sponges.
I think
It's a stalk with fish, starfish.
it would be good to get a Niskin bottle fired in this
area.
rough
Should we
area.
get Niskin?
Yeah,
Sure.
thanks.
Okay.
Get some more ED.
Oh, they felt that bump.
Yeah, see how they jump?
Yeah, it's like I'm running.
So you can push in video. Sorry, I'm getting.
Yeah, you're fine.
All right, so this is a old dead glass sponge with a bunch of what's the family?
So what are the little white?
I think those are
stalks
barnacles.
on it? Okay.
Tiny barnacles, and then the ophiocanthid brittle stars
Yeah.
are the ones with the spiny arms.
Neat. That's a beautiful zoom, Dan.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay.
Try not to lose it, but all right.
Science is happy.
Coming out.
And
Science. Oh no, what just happened? Ooh.
what was the next thing? Brittle was bottle pop.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna sit down on the ground. That way we're just.
What bottle number are you aiming for?
I think we can do it fast enough. Yeah.
So yeah, those of you watching.
Yeah.
Is this going to be Niskin 6?
Because we're going north now, right? Yeah. Yeah.
ROV?
Sorry?
Will this be Niskin 6?
This is gonna be Niskin 1.
Okay, it does
Yeah.
start at 1. Thank you.
So that top ring there.
So yeah, for those of you
that's all the
watching, the
port-
Niskins
you
help
get-
us collect our
Okay, I'm
eDNA.
watching.
Let me give it a little iris so you can see better.
Okay, I got my eyes. Yeah, that
Popped.
went. All right, sample's been taken. That's Niskin
Nice.
1.
Good job, Rye.
Okay. Thank you.
I think Levi's on the arm right now.
Oh, sorry. Good job, Levi.
All
My
right.
bad.
It's a team effort.
It is. We are stronger together.
You share a brain. Perfect. I'm gonna get your arm a little. I can just. No. I'll just look up. All right. Nice.
You know, Matt, maybe it's the darkness at the edge of a shot, but after thinking about it, I think like a giant squid or a colossal squid.
Yeah, totally. That'd be so awesome to see it just like come out of the
Alright.
darkness.
Oh yeah.
Super eerie.
Heading into the. Yeah, that's a long one.
Yeah, so the Bolosoma, I think, is this one. So this is the same one
That we tried to sample.
that we tried to collect.
Okay.
We can get a zoom on it to confirm
Yeah.
first.
Do you want to see it from? I'm sorry.
This is a good side, actually.
I don't know what just happened. All right. I'm gonna get a little. Yeah. Sorry. I gotta. This.
Well,
like
yeah,
this.
let's take a look at
Okay.
it first. 'Cause maybe might be different.
I'll get you back over there. Video. Just
No problem.
drifting forward. The current is kind of. All right.
Yeah, this is the one. So I think we can go try again.
All right, I'll pull you back out.
Okay, yeah.
Nice.
I will set down right here. And auto head. Stick lock. All right, tilt down.
Whoa.
What? Whoa, what?
The iris on Atalanta, for some reason, I think I just bumped the button and it went dark. A little more in on that.
That looks good.
Enough that you can shove the little head in the box.
Nice.
All right, retracting camera. Don't come near me yet.
Get away from me.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, you were like, I don't want to sniff the flower. Thank you. Thank you, though. Okay.
Well, we do have that,
I'm going to bring your
that
forward
spot
box
on the lens. Maybe you can just buff it out real quick.
All right.
No, don't mess this one up.
No pressure, goodness.
Do you want to seat down so that you can kind of shove it in the... Oh, nice. Well done. Well
Great
done.
job.
All right, forward box is coming close. Let's...
Did you know that toilet brush sponges actually got inspiration from glass sponges?
Really?
That's
what I can.
That's a joke. Come on.
I can't tell with. I can't tell with
They kind of
you.
look the same.
They do. They do look the same. I can't tell with you. I'm also very gullible.
It's also 3 a.m.
It's 3 a.m. It's a 3 a.m. joke.
I like it. I like it. Okay.
It's 3 a.m. The dad jokes start coming out.
All right. Now I know. Now I know.
Look at that rock over there.
I'll be aware for next time.
Which one?
Looks like a bowling ball.
There's many rocks.
It's just dark. It's dark. And it's like a perfect circle.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It does look like a bowling ball.
Oh yeah, I see.
I feel like that's like the exact opposite of the rocks that Val
Right.
cares about. I was gonna say, Steve, you're not allowed to make jokes. You're a scientific authority, so
You'd be surprised.
yeah.
A cucumber.
Cucumber, this little
Sponge.
trumpet
Saxophone? Yeah, kind of looks like a saxophone, or like a organ pipe.
Are any of these of interest to look at, Steve? Or?
Negative.
Okay.
I think it would be a good idea. Once we get on this track a little bit, maybe we'll do one of these transects.
Yeah.
That we've been trying to do, where we keep a measured height above bottom. But let's move a little bit and see if there's any variation in
let's do a
animals first before we
you okay over there?
commit to a transect.
Oh, there goes a little. Was that like a sea spider or something that floated by?
Was it? I feel like it was.
I missed it.
It went up, yeah. It kind of went up to the left.
Oh, I think. Let's see. Now that I've made a nice big dust cloud to stare at.
Actually, I'll pause the samplers for a second.
Is that it? Video, can you snap in for me?
Heard, thank you.
Or am I just following a spec?
Yeah, I'm having a hard time. Oh, there's
That's a
some.
shrimp?
Yep.
It's a shrimp or something. Yeah.
Oh, there's a bamboo coral on the right.
Okay,
though.
let's look at the coral.
Okay. Bring it out.
That big long
Whoa.
stalk?
Yeah.
Oh.
The long
Alright,
one.
let's see if I can escape this cloud and look at this thing. Let's see if I can stop. Oh yeah, sorry.
That one's huge.
We'll kind of sit here and wait for the cloud to... I'll try not to use too many downs. Yeah, that's true.
This is a bamboo coral?
I think it'll wash.
Similar to the ones we saw that had the gametes earlier?
Yeah, different. This is a different species.
You can push in video for now.
Probably a different genus and definitely a different clade from the last one we were looking at.
I think all the polyps, I think I bumped the ground in the polyps.
This is one that we sampled on our, well, I guess 2 dives ago. Really thick, kind of knobby polyps.
Yeah, definitely different than the ones we saw earlier today.
Thick senenchyme tissue. The senenchyme is the tissue between the polyps.
Okay. You can see the nodes pretty well.
Yep, yep.
Is looking at the base of the stalk ever interest you? Like looking down at the foot?
Yeah, I mean, you can usually see the nodes pretty well.
Yeah, okay.
But this one looks pretty healthy. Sometimes they have tissue loss at the base,
like
you
little
can see
knuckles.
Yeah, is there any, actually, can we look closer at the base?
Yep.
Where it attaches to the rock.
Yeah.
Sometimes
I am full zoomed right now.
Small animals around there that are associated with this.
Something gelatinous looking over there.
All right, I think that's okay. Yeah, we have a record of this collection from another site, similar depth.
All right, coming back out.
Steve, we just had a question. Could you clarify the genus of the sponge we just collected?
Yeah, it should be Bolosoma.
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 I'm gonna pick up them. Just look over here, maybe. So that's like one that we just, yeah, you can see that current.
Oh yeah, you can see it going into the side like that really well.
Yeah. Basically still just waiting for my...
All right, I'm resuming 8 and 9.
Got that, thank you.
Gabby, I haven't asked you yet. If we were to see something on this dive that you're really excited to see, what would it be?
It's got to be like a squid, but I know we're too shallow, probably.
Yeah, I agree. I'd like to see some squid or
Are there like any
octopus.
squid that come to the steps?
Or like a super cute Dumbo octopus.
Oh, I've seen one of those on dive before.
Yeah.
Jealous.
That's awesome.
I did a project on those in like, it must have been 5th grade.
Oh my God, that's great.
And ever since then, when I see one, it's like, oh,
I love
know
that.
who that is.
Yeah. Let's do
I've
that.
also really liked to see a vampire squid. I think they're really neat looking.
How are we doing on logs of log? Are we? Oh, cool. Okay. I got my co-pilot brain still going, so not that you weren't doing an amazing job. I just
ROV pilots, how far can we see with these cameras? Like when we look off into the distance, any idea?
Not really. I mean,
Yeah,
yeah.
hard to tell.
Yeah. I keep thinking you're like reaching, and I'm like, oh, sorry, you're stream decked now. That's funny. Is it in the way of your mouse though?
Nope.
Okay.
So I would joke and say I would want to say mermaid, but there's that documentary, that fake one.
Oh
that
my
came
God,
out.
yes.
It scarred me for life.
Oh,
Mermaids are real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Totally. I did too
Oh
for a
my
second. And then I
gosh.
was like, no, this can't be real. They had like official scientists in quotation marks, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, they tried to make it seem super real.
It was terrifying. I was working an internship with dolphins at the time.
Oh my gosh.
So I was having to go out to sea and like they would drop me off and wait for the dolphins.
Oh my God.
And I just thought a mermaid was going to come and get me. And there's going to be a real ugly one.
Right.
Screaming.
Not like
Can
Ariel.
you zoom in again? I just want to see what
No.
this
Absolutely.
is.
Yep.
Ariel, another Halloween
Oh, I might down
goal.
so slow. Oh, I think it's just sponge.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
you can come back out.
Our current depth.
The lower structure is a xenophyaphore. It's a protist animal.
Current
Well,
depth
I'm
is
saying animal, not
1542
protist.
meters.
But
Cucumber.
yeah, not the target of any of our collections these days.
Have we ever had a sea cucumber expert come out here?
We have had people who are studying sea cucumbers.
Ah.
Yeah.
I want it. Sorry.
Yeah, unfortunately, I mean, some sea cucumbers are cohesive, you know, when they come up, but a lot of the gelatinous sea cucumbers will just completely gellify, and they just turn into a jar of jelly.
Oh no.
Is that from the pressure differential or like?
It's largely temperature, but yeah, some of them have, you know, more cohesive musculature, some don't.
Interesting.
Yeah. Just when you go through museums, typically the sea cucumber aisle is just full of jars of random colored jellies. Yeah.
Does the color at least correspond to the color that they were in non-gelatinous
They usually
form,
lose
or?
the color over time, yeah.
They're just not nearly as cool without the color and
This is
the cohesive structure.
Can you come back
Venus?
left? There's something
Yeah,
over here.
for sure.
I want it to be known I almost spelled xenophyaphore right on the first try.
Is that something
I was one
that
letter
you,
off.
Okay, never mind. It was that, but
Next time you'll get it, Leela.
that's the crinoid.
Thank you. Honestly, I'm happy with one letter off.
Forbidden crinoid.
That's an improvement.
I see how it is. Roger.
Okay.
Alright, well maybe it's, we don't really have that much layback.
Is that another anemone
This
on the
anemone
side of the rock there?
Yeah,
Interest at all?
yeah. I've tried to collect those before. They're very strongly attached to the rock, and it tears them up.
The foot is massive.
Yeah, they're huge.
I mean, you saw how much which sample was the one before, the little...
The hydroid.
Oh yeah, that was
hard
fighting
to
us.
get. Just had a question. Steve, maybe you can help me answer this. Do the shrimp species that we see down here have a specific feeding behavior or become active in certain times?
Not that I'm aware of. I think all the time.
They're just all the time. They're just hungry
they're
little things.
planktivorous, so they're eating things passively that they filter or that they encounter.
Cool.
Usually if you're planktivorous, you have to feed constantly.
Alright,
Yeah, to get enough energy.
To get enough.
Roger.
I'm curious if the pilots ever dream of this.
If you find that we're heading too much downslope for your comfort, we can adjust the waypoints and direction to kind of go along the slope.
Yeah, Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're definitely like, I mean, we're pointed not necessarily down slope, but kind of like we're just traveling along the slope.
Yep.
Is that the goal?
Yeah, along,
Okay.
yeah.
I think for now, I'm fine with it. How are you feel about it? It's really like gentle slope, so.
It's like flat, or
yeah.
If you might be going downhill a little bit,
If
right?
I started seeing like more steep terrain, I would, start to wanna.
I'm also curious about that Gabby.
If we dream about it?
Yeah.
I definitely had dreams where I was like trying to solve an impossible problem as a co-pilot. And like, I don't know if I've done enough Herc sitting yet to like.
This here?
Yeah, let's look at that.
Do you guys ever get the dream like you've been in college for like the whole semester and you just didn't go to a class?
Yes. Yeah. Oh my goodness,
okay, so
absolutely.
I get that.
Especially because I didn't go to class, so like, yeah.
That's a memory, that's not a dream.
Okay. I'm 10 years out, I still get those dreams.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna zoom on this video. I'm just
yeah.
gonna try to get.
I get that dream.
Kind of out of tether, but yeah.
I'll get that dream, but then also add it in.
Let me know when you're good. All right.
Let's. Oh, here. Let me just sit down and like. No, go ahead, Matt.
Oh, I was gonna say I get that dream, but also now that I'm a teacher, I'm like teaching half the classes, but then I'm somehow enrolled in a class within the high school as well that I didn't go to.
Bring me over a little.
It's really odd.
Oh, he's bailing.
We got him
bailing.
Run!
Jumping ship.
His friend told him that we abducted him.
Yeah.
Little
all right, this is a dead
station in there.
Dead
Piraeus
sponge.
Maybe something more exciting.
Yep. With a shrimp.
Yeah. Cool. All right.
All right, good.
Come up.
Yep. All good.
Oh.
I also have those dreams where you're like trying to solve a math exam that just can't actually be solved. Like.
Yeah.
I'm making up new math in my head.
Okay, where do you find the reservoir percentage?
So it should be this one.
Oh, there
yeah.
It is. Nice.
It's not always working though. Yeah. But for now it is, so.
Okay, I think I got everything.
Nice.
Things are looking good.
Nice.
Looking real nice.
That's what I like to hear.
Another question about how far we can see with the lights. As we said earlier, it's really hard to estimate that, so unsure on that one.
Ship movement complete.
Copy. Well, the tether's 30 meters long, so
so we can.
And we're looking from Atalanta to Herc.
Yeah.
So like, that gives you something. But as far as the main camera of Herc looking out, like that rock, I'd say like, I mean, we gotta look at the sonar and see how far out that is, but I don't know, 10 or 15 meters. You could, like, there's something on top of that rock,
on top
right?
Of that rock,
so
yeah.
like,
it looks large.
that'd be like right on the edge of what we could see.
Yeah.
And that's about 10 or 15 meters away. So.
Okay, so maybe like 10 to 15 meters.
Yeah. Another ship.
Let's do another ship move.
I feel like that is a chrysogorgia on a stick. What do you guys feel?
I feel like you are correct.
I feel like I can't see it yet and I'm being left out.
Oh, or
it's
is
right at the top of that rock.
That's how I feel. It's not a, I don't have a lot of data.
Are those
Spirogorgia.
Spirogorgia? Is that what it is?
New genus for the dive.
It's a Iridigorgia. No, I don't know.
It's all spirally.
You're right. Commit to it.
Steve's going to tell us.
No, you're right.
Is that the one that we saw on the first dive? Similar?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got to take the camera and look down the spirals, okay?
Okay.
That's called the goal. The
do you want to look at this little
cool.
one first, Steve?
Yeah, actually I do want to look at this one first. And actually, I may want to collect it too.
Okay. I'm still fine with this.
It depends on if there's associates at home.
Yeah.
If there's none, then we'll pass.
Roger. I'm just gonna sit down. Oh. All right, let's move in video. Can you pan my camera around a little bit if you?
Yeah, just tell me what you need. Doing winch.
Okay, just go down.
Just go down. Got me. All right, it's down.
Just push in there, video. Yeah.
Is that another
You have little
bottle brush?
associates.
Yeah, this is a chrysogorgia.
And there's our squat lobster.
Squat lobster.
I bet he wants the squat lobsters.
How many?
Grab
Is there?
it, and then they're gonna jump off.
Is there only one? Like, can we?
There might be a second one in there. That kind of looks like a
There
third
is
claw.
up near the...
There's a second one close to the...
Yep,
close to the
yeah, right
rock
at the
there.
base.
Right at the base, yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Do you think you can get both of them? Like,
sure, we can try.
Yeah, like snip it low.
Yeah.
All right, I'll bring you out.
Would you rather crush the squat lobster and have a, like a higher probability of collecting the squat lobster? Or, you're right, because if I don't crush it, then he could swim away. Capiche?
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe I'll crush the back
is,
one.
Crushing is not optimal.
Oh, okay.
Probably not for the squat lobster either.
Yeah, they don't swim away, so if you can grab it low enough.
Got it.
Might stay on there.
They stay on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see if I'll hold here.
Steve, question. Do you have a dream location that you'd like to explore on the seafloor?
All right. Is that fully zoomed out video?
Hmm.
Am I too close to this rock for you?
You're
Want me
perfect.
to? Okay.
You're golden. As long as we don't move too much, we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be ready.
More like a region.
A region?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll let you know after this.
I'm
Sounds
gonna
great.
just bring you up because you'll be coming like right over me. So.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah.
Gosh, those straws open up so far, don't they?
Yeah, I know.
There's two of them on there, so I suppose, yeah. Still, crushing is not optimal, but whatever you can get.
It's a little bit of
Suboptimal.
a tough spot too. It's like
Yeah,
under the...
suboptimal condition for the collection.
Let me know once you're
Do
in
you
a
want
good
me to
spot.
step
I can.
back? Are you feeling fine?
Get down there.
Roger.
I have this camera there, which is kind of nice. Okay.
Okay, I'm ready on the sticks. Yes.
Copy.
I'll try to come in with you a little bit. Kind of right in the shot.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
That's good.
You got
All
one
right.
of them.
Zoom out
Not
video.
crushed.
That's
Yep.
good enough.
Awesome.
Are we going in the front bio box?
Yeah, let's go in the Omega.
Yeah, roger. Okay, I'm bringing that out. And
Do we
box is
think
coming
we
open.
got just one of the squat lobsters?
I think one, but we'll see.
And I'll tilt down a little bit.
There's not much left. I bet we crushed the other one.
Yeah.
I feel like it was unintentional for the record.
Yeah, that's all right. One is important.
For the record.
2 is bonus.
Try to do PTC.
Do you want to see the box with your PTZ?
I'm okay. How do you... Oh, I'm pushing down on the box.
Yeah, try not to.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Does anyone see the lobster? Sorry.
The
It's
squat
in there.
lobster? Yeah,
Okay,
he's in
okay.
there.
Yeah, I see him.
And this is not going to be floaty necessarily, is
No,
it?
they don't sink.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like stuck.
Yeah, you might have to shake the... Lies.
Tap it
Give
in.
it a nudge back.
Tap, tap, tap.
Just
Some Billy Madison
There
there.
it goes.
I mean, not Billy Madison, Happy Gilmore.
Yeah.
All right, forward box
Tap
is humming
it.
closed.
Nice. Super.
Good job. So all of these samples that we collect, we have to have permits for them, correct? Awesome.
Yep.
Roger. How's the arm feeling? Is it still behaving?
Yeah, oh yeah.
I'm gonna just come back a little bit. Don't want you to get hit by that rock.
Yeah, that box is pretty close to the arm, isn't it?
Do you want to check the arm a little bit more out of view?
Sure.
Just like,
I could easily swing it outboard here.
yeah. Alright, and then, yeah, that's perfect. Alright. So, we want to take a look at this one on the top of the rock, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Yep, I'm on a, yeah. Was there anything else on this ledge you wanted to look at here?
Not
Steve?
immediately.
Okay.
Although, yeah, some of these bases might. I would have to look at them, but
Yeah.
they represent older growth. So this might actually be like many like centuries old, bases
Yeah.
of colonies.
That's cool.
Okay.
This is a really nice one. I think this might be the same species as the one we looked at the other day, which seems to be an Iridigorgia species that was described from the Western Pacific a couple of years
Okay,
ago.
So just keep an eye on the
So
tether.
pretty. I love
coming
the
up
spirals
underneath you,
so
basically.
much.
Delta's 21, so.
Yeah.
So that looks good.
And yeah, you're looking straight down at me, basically.
Roger.
I'm gonna.
It's a cool pirouette.
That really is beautiful. It's like art.
Yeah.
Is this a Iridigorgia? Where's that
Yeah,
from?
if you any eagle-eyed people see any crustaceans in the coral, let me know. Like shrimps especially love to live inside the branches of these.
Can we zoom in on it?
Yeah, I can zoom
Yeah,
in on
I'm gonna
that.
try to get the.
Oh, down the spiral?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
All right.
I gotta get
That's
lower and tilt my camera up.
That's Delta Dan's favorite
Yeah.
shot.
Delta Dan.
All right. Coming in.
There
It's
we
so
go.
cool looking.
There we go.
You can put the lasers off for a bit if you want.
Yeah, sure. Here. Ooh.
Wow.
Getting nice and close. And then it kind of moves with our.
Iris is a little spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright,
feel free to just.
Lasers are off.
zoom.
Absolutely stunning. Great job, guys.
This is a Iridigorgia.
Drifting away from
Yeah.
it here.
He's got a nice rock perched up here.
Yep. Nice and stable.
Yeah.
There we go.
You picked a
it's a
good
good
spot to call.
Yeah, dude. Picked a great spot. So pretty.
Closer, closer, closer.
Wow.
Look at the little helix.
It's so
Little
cool.
layers. Try not to suck it into my thruster.
Look at you got it right in the dome of this camera.
Yeah, I know.
I think
It's
this is
like
my favorite thing we've
huge.
seen, like on the
I'm gonna have to
expedition.
Can
make
you
sure I get this.
maybe
Mine too.
Yeah.
put it in the wide field camera?
Yeah.
Frame it up.
Is that which one you want? That one?
Yeah,
there?
that's that one.
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm. And we'll take a screen and grab back here.
I'll try to get it. Can you come? Actually, no. You get to stay zoomed video. Might
Stay
just-
zoomed? Okay, I'm just drifting off, so.
Yeah. I'm not driving by that one, so might not be the best
So
shot for you.
gorgeous.
Okay.
So, and we're gonna have to make sure I don't put a turn in the tether after this.
Yeah, just turn back port after this.
Yeah. All right, coming up a little bit, framing it up. Are you guys getting still shots like with this camera?
Yeah, still shots.
How do you feel about the porch being in your shots? Do you want it out of your shots?
Yeah, we can.
Because we have zoom.
Is the porch in all the way?
Let's see. Porch is in all the way.
Okay.
But we can zoom the camera past it if you want.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
What about cinema?
Yeah.
Zoom?
There it is.
Okay, I'll get
There's
you
that little
framed up.
There we go. Awesome.
All right. Nice. There you go.
Nice.
Whoa.
It's like a firework.
Yeah.
That's so cool. It's got a lot of surface area, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It's a big puffball.
Why don't we do a Niskin battle here?
Sure. All right. Are you happy with those shots?
Yeah.
Steve? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yes. Yeah, let's do a Niskin.
Okay.
Here. Vehicle's
Any
really
idea
stable.
why
so.
they would have adapted to have that kind of spirally morphology?
Here, can I get you to zoom out video?
Absolutely.
So this form
Sorry, we're
is
still absorbed in that thing.
No, that's okay.
excellent at slowing down water.
Oh, okay.
So if you think about it, it has
Okay,
very
tilting
small polyps,
down.
and if it wants to feed efficiently, you want to give your polyps time to capture particles out of the water.
Bring
So
your
if you
iris
have
up.
water flowing through your
iris up,
colony,
and I think
you have a very large
sorry,
surface area, you can pretty
retract.
much
There you go.
slow that water enough so you can efficiently
You ready for me to pull it?
capture particles out of the water.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
And so that
so interesting.
really increases the surface area.
Right, yeah.
And that's my going hypothesis. It's not published yet. Don't scoop me.
Makes sense. Do they
There it goes.
can they like exchange like gases or water or anything through that surface area?
Yeah. All cnidarians will exchange all their gases and waste through their body walls.
Awesome. So it
yeah.
makes it a lot more efficient at that too with
Yeah,
that surface
that
area
too.
volume
Yeah.
ratio.
I wouldn't say these are low oxygen specialists, but you know.
So did you get that data? That was Niskin 2 just got pulled.
Just incredible.
Niskin 2.
Yeah.
Heard. Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Steve, what else would you like to see?
I think we can keep moving north.
Okay.
That's another one of those things that looks like it's out of a Dr. Seuss book too.
Yeah, for sure, Dr. Seuss energy.
We did get a nice sample of this
Yeah.
a couple days ago.
I remember.
Right, I don't want to bring your iris up yet since we're
Yeah, I'm
facing
gonna get
the
closer
dark.
to the seafloor. Yeah. I'm just trying not to hit my butt on the. You can see it right in the back camera there.
Currently at 1,548
Tether
meters
looks good.
below the surface.
How about heading in 340?
So that would put us more. Where are we at with 360? 40?
340 might be better because then it keeps you from sliding off the edge.
Yeah.
So I like the coming forward a little bit.
Again.
Turning left.
And you can also probably start coming down after.
Yeah.
I'm just hanging out here.
Again, we got viewers from all around the world
340.
watching.
Coming down.
Beauty.
US, Canada, UK, Spain, Germany, Norway, Netherlands, Malaysia, Australia, Saudi Arabia, Puerto Rico, Philippines, Japan, Haiti, Denmark, Colombia, Switzerland, and Argentina. So, views from everywhere. Really cool.
The world is watching.
The
bottom
world.
of the ocean.
EV Nautilus.
While we
The world is
explore.
watching.
While we explore live.
Love it.
What was like the The other watch was called the podcast watch, but I feel like we're just called like the soundboard watch. Like,
Yeah.
Bonk.
welcome to vocal stems from 12 to 4.
We get on, we make noises for 4 hours, we leave.
The cow goes moo. Alright, what's this?
Let's take a look at that.
Oh, it's fuzzy.
It's
Yeah.
just one of those, I think we've seen a lot of these dead sponges, but this is
That's
actually
interesting.
alive.
This is a new genus for this dive.
Oh.
Oh,
Let's take a closer look at this one,
Yeah.
especially the top.
Alright,
oh yeah, looks like
get on in there.
This is a sponge called Walteria. It's a euplectellid sponge. It's very common in the tropical Central Pacific.
It's really interesting with all those little appendages coming off.
Oh, that's quite tall, actually. Here,
Yeah,
I'll
they're
get
called
us a better shot.
lateralia, and they come out of the side. They also have
Alright.
commensal hydrozoans that
Let's do
live
that.
on them
okay,
sometimes.
coming in.
Is that one like kind of inside the reddish tint?
Like a brittle star on there.
Could be. We'll see.
And what kind of sponge did you say this was again?
This is Walteria
With a V?
with a W, like Walter.
Wall. Okay.
Yeah, Walter IA.
Gotcha.
There might
I'm
be a
getting our
shrimp
heads
Bring me
inside
over
there.
a little bit.
Oh, sorry. Come back.
There's an isopod or
Just
No, you're
amphipod
good.
walking
on the
over here.
branch.
Okay.
Alright. Come on now. Oh, I slipped off the rock. Alright, bring me wide. Sorry.
Yep, yeah.
Set that up. Technical difficulties. Bonk, bonk.
One of the most amazing sights I've ever seen, actually, was from the area around Howland and Baker Island. There's a seamount in the northern Phoenix cluster
You feel good?
where I just remember on a dive there was a wall covered with
Okay, sorry.
hundreds
you're
of
fine.
these just sticking straight out.
Wow.
So
Oh,
it looked,
man. Tough.
yeah, it was,
Oh
Just
yeah.
drive
really
that
incredible.
looks really cool.
when they're in high density, and they can grow in really high density.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Stunning.
And I'll pan you around.
Thank you.
There we go. Look, there's like,
Yeah, so you got shrimp on the outside, shrimp on the inside,
On the inside.
so that
brittle
that
or
is a trap shrimp,
Isopod
correct?
or something over there?
isopod, yeah, on the
Yeah.
branch. Yep,
Oh,
a lot of things living on this.
Yeah, that's a great one.
So this looks
Ship
like
movement
Walteria,
complete.
Roger. Yeah, I'm on my way
and
to
there's
my
not many
heading.
species of this, and it's been regionally well collected
Yeah.
over the past 10 years or so.
What's the little one below the shrimp? It's like,
It's an amphipod.
oh, the anthill.
It's another type of crustacean.
Okay. Oh.
They're very fragile, though. These are
Can I
not the
tilt my camera up a little
spongy
bit?
sponges. These are the crunchy sponges.
Tilting up.
Crunchy sponge.
Yeah.
So there's, yeah, brittle stars.
I kind of want to cut the top off just to allow the shrimp to come out, you know
He
what I
doesn't
mean?
want to.
Yeah.
Have you
It's
asked the
home.
shrimp?
It chose that life.
It chose to live in the sponge
I
tank.
know,
So.
I just...
Shrimp didn't choose the Walteria life. The Walteria life
Maybe it's
chose
a
him.
defense
Sponge
mechanism.
is safe.
Maybe-
Sponge is home.
I
Maybe
think so, yeah.
can't be eaten because he's inside,
Yep.
you know what I mean? Like it's a defense,
Yeah,
Watch your
protection.
tether.
maybe it's a defense mechanism, you know?
Yep. Must be. All right.
Cool.
Looks
Do you
good.
want to see down the? Do you want me to pan
Yeah, we can
down it? Or?
quickly scan up and down.
All right. Can you pan the camera down?
We're approaching a watch change in the next 10 minutes anyway.
How far down do you want to go?
Yeah.
So-
Just take a look.
Yeah,
There's the
how did
face.
how did that shrimp get in there?
I think they
They start small.
When they're
go
babies,
in
right?
and larval in their larval
Cinema
stages.
And then they grow big,
Or
so
the-
he's
Larval.
stuck.
They get stuck.
All right.
Yeah.
Ah,
Really?
Alright,
So
come
they live their whole
No, we're
lives
just looking
inside
at
those
rocks.
sponges?
Yeah.
Huh.
All right. Goodbye. Little shrimp city.
And they could be long-lived, so.
Shrimp skyrises.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cost that shrimp a lot of money to move into that.
Prime real estate.
High-rise apartment.
Right on top
with
of the seamount.
floor-to-ceiling windows.
That's true.
Lots of nosy neighbors, though, trying to look in.
Shrimp condo.
Alright, I am definitely not driving the direction I think I am, which means my camera is not where I think it is. Here we go. Oh, come on. Ah. Sorry, coming up. Where is my porch? Alright. Oh. There we go. Back on the program here. Alright, I'm coming up this feature, so just watch tether.
Oh, there's Mike.
Mike. My friend Mike.
He's been spotted. Oh, that's interesting.
We have drops off over here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like we want to go this direction.
Yeah.
Port?
Yeah, we want to stay on top of this.
I don't want to slip off it, yeah.
No. Especially because I can tell
Do you want me
current.
to, do you want me to turn port a little bit?
Let's do that.
How far port do you want to go?
Basically like 290
Alright.
300 maybe?
290 then?
Here, let me just see. I think this actually goes even more this direction. Yeah. Let's do
So you're at
276.
Roger, 276.
Yeah.
It's very specific.
275. 280.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
so weird. There's another
Okay,
barnacle.
280.
Yeah.
Barnacle pool.
Another one, like kind of in
Where
that.
Do you
did that
wanna
come
look
from?
at
Because
this?
there's no more up.
Right.
Yeah, we can take a quick look.
Okay.
I think
The,
it's
the
still
crunchy
barnacle
shells,
plates.
is that what we're looking
Yeah,
at?
just you can snap in video.
Yep.
I'll try to.
So they must have come in from this, immediate surrounding
And
just
Hold down.
accumulated over time.
Fell down slope.
There you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, these things confused me so much on NA147 and NA153. We found them all over Johnson Atoll. I
Alright,
couldn't
come
figure
on,
out
we're
where they
drifting,
were
we're
for the
coming
longest
in. Yeah.
time. But
Yeah,
they're
there's a
barnacle
few,
plates.
like-
Yeah.
It's really interesting how they all kind of just accumulate in just
Yep.
like those few spots.
Yeah, Curran is definitely trying to take me off this feature. Not a
Is that
ton. Like
some more over in
I
those
can turn
little
my drone gain up and
indentations?
be
Yeah.
snappier
And they
stuff,
could be
but
quite old,
yeah.
so that the animals that made them might not be there anymore, but the plates, the
But yeah, we're definitely.
calcium carbonate, and then when they get iron manganese coated, it's something called a
Nice. Right.
Copy.
what's it called? A pre-fossil, because it protects the calcium carbonate against dissolution. if you
So,
have
are we
layers
going
of iron
down
manganese.
this feature?
Okay.
What's so nice then?
What's the?
So yeah, we've just got
Mostly
about
uphill
10
is
minutes
this
left
way.
on this watch before we switch over to the 4 to 8 watch.
Could just be like a local
We're going to have to
high.
meander a little
Yeah.
bit, but generally we want to go northward. We can migrate east and west a little bit as
Yeah.
needed.
Okay. Sorry, I'm basically pointing south right now.
Just got a comment or question from our New England Science and Sailing Snorkel Adventure Camp. That sounds like a super fun camp.
Do we
About
wanna
how long
kinda
we've all been
venture-
exploring. This is my first expedition, but we have some people on here that have been 10, 15
What would you do in this
expeditions,
situation,
even
Levi?
over
It
20,
could-
I
so-
believe.
Looking at the bathymetry, it's not like a crazy downhill. So this could just be a local. So you could go down for a little bit. Does that make sense? Like, he wants to go north, so we're looking west.
And yes, we have found lots and lots and lots of
Okay.
corals. So
It's
if
not
you watch,
steep, so.
you will see corals pretty much all the time.
So we'll finish that move, and then after that move, we'll see what. I'll get kind of. It'll put me kind of where you are. Yeah.
There's a
But
lot
he
of
wants to
stuff
go
here.
north.
Like stuff in the water
definitely
column.
downhill. Yeah. This is definitely down. It's definitely downhill. Yeah, it's to your right.
So what did everyone learn from our watch? Anyone wanna?
My favorite was the Iridigorgia.
Yeah, I think that was my favorite. Or the shrimp high rise. I really liked that too.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
That was cool.
But my favorite thing I think I learned was the inspiration behind toilet brushes comes from sponges.
Yeah.
Scientific fact, right?
Yeah, see, you can actually see
Yeah,
folks down there. See that?
Yeah.
So that's.
So they're stuck.
Westbound. So westbound, that's doable.
Yeah.
If you turn right, does it fade off into deeper, darker, or is it kind of flat down there? It's possibly hot down. Because he wants to go north.
Looks pretty flat, yeah.
So it's doable.
There is a tiny ridge that runs north-south.
Yeah, this is cool. This is cool.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you might have little bits of topographic highs.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the actual direction we want to be heading is like
he wants to go north.
over here.
Yeah.
So
that's doable.
I don't know. Yeah.
We could turn back northbound a little bit now. Okay.
Roger. Yeah. I mean, we can start going in that direction.
We're gonna launch change in 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm turning right. I'm coming to starboard.
Yeah.
I'll keep you centered.
Sounds good. I'm definitely, yeah. The current wants to take me there. It's trying to.
Copy.
All right, I'm
Yeah,
going off into the blue here.
Sweet. She's jumping off.
I'm jumping off the cliff.
All right.
And we're going.
And we're going.
All right, I'm looking back northbound.
Okay.
So our next move can be northbound. Which is exactly what Mr. Steve wanted.
I'll get more centered in your screen here before we start heading down.
Cool.
I'll ride your iris a bit so you can see better.
Sure, that'd be great. There's a big whip here.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Is that another bamboo?
Yep. Yeah, I think I want to say it's a declade, but I might be mistaken on that.
Trying to not bash my butt on anything.
D1.
Oh, the other really cool thing that I liked was when we zoomed in on that bamboo coral. Thanks, Dan, for the amazing zoom. And it had the gametes. That was so cool.
Yeah, that was
There's
exciting.
a branch point on that. This is why bamboos are. Can we look at the branch point here on this bamboo?
Yeah.
Figure out what's going on there.
I think I got enough tether for that. Isabella, my friend.
Hi, friends.
Hey, friend.
Hey, friend.
Hey, friends.
Ooh, something
How was the past 4 hours for everyone?
It's been great. We saw all sorts of cool stuff.
Did you see the big wide ocean?
You want to zoom in video?
Yeah.
We saw a shrimp high rise made out of a sponge.
How many shrimp were in the high rise?
There was only one living inside, but it had a lot of nosy neighbors
Hey,
trying to
good
get in.
question. Are you trying to look lower than this point?
Yeah,
like
where
right
it
there,
branches,
eh?
you see?
Yeah, alright, I think I can
It looks
set
like,
down.
so this is typically an unbranched species,
my
but
camera
when
down a bit?
they experience
Down?
damage,
Yeah.
they can sometimes
Oh.
inadvertently branch
Yeah.
in atypical ways. So
Oh, does it branch at the node or not at the node?
they don't branch at all. I think it's just there's damage here, and there's actually a zoantherian parasite right here. And here,
Oh.
that's a different polyp
Oh.
good.
from a
Check
different
it out.
organism, and so because it was, I guess, parasitized there, it kind
sorry.
of branched out. Anyway,
That
it's
whole
good
zoom
good to
video?
note.
Messing with
Levi.
the damn thing.
Yeah.
What was like the darker purple hue that we saw kind of like lower on the branch?
Was that a node?
It's probably a node for
Oh.
the bamboo coral, yeah.
Interesting.
But yeah, you can see that the coral is really trying to fight back here, but that zoantherian is a parasite.
It's hooked on there.
Yep.
Wow.
It's really cool.
Polyps are starting to open and close. All right, I think we're gonna do our handover back here and enjoy the bamboo coral visuals in the meanwhile.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thanks for
a
watching,
wider video.
guys. Handing over to our 4 to 8 watch. See you later.
You made some strong, huh?
Good morning, Nautilus.
Is that Danny?
That was.
I am
no joke on
shooketh.
Good morning.
Danny, how are you so awake?
Am I awake?
Yeah.
How are you so awake?
So awake.
I don't know, like
Caffeine?
excited. I'm flying Hercules.
Okay.
I'm with my favorite people.
Whoa. Am I still dreaming?
Pinch me.
Pinch me, I'm dreaming.
I don't know, I was going to say good morning Vietnam, but it doesn't really work out here now, does it?
Well, maybe somebody might be working.
Marshalls.
Yeah, we
Good
could say good morning
morning,
to Vietnam.
Or good morning, Bikini Bottom.
Are you a morning
Bikini
person, Danny?
Bottom. That would have been
Apparently
the way to go.
Oh.
I think Danny might be a morning person. I, on the other hand, am not. So
It's good that our Herc pilot is.
yeah,
I'm loving it. So I want to start us off by ending pumps 8 and 9 and starting 10 and 11. Can you make a note of that? Hayden?
The pumps.
Say that one more time. Sorry.
Oh, I said I'd like to start us off by, we are currently pumping 8 and 9. I'm going to end those, and I'm going to start 10 and 11.
Sounds good.
So if you want to make a note, thank you.
Yes, I can do that.
Okay. Ending 8 and 9. And
Okay,
starting 10 and 11.
Where's our next waypoint?
All right.
Science, are we still interested in heading north?
Yes, so we are going to continue heading north. So we have this waypoint 11 that they were headed to. So we want to go around that plateau in the north direction.
Sounds good.
All right, does sound good.
all right. So as Danny so enthusiastically said just a moment ago, good morning, everybody. At least it is morning here, where we are currently diving. This is the 4 to 8 crew joining you once again. We're going to take it on home today, and you'll be with us for the remainder of the dive. So this is Brittany speaking, Science Communication Fellow for this shift, for this watch, I should say. And we have been exploring this geo for the past few hours, checking it out and taking a look to see if we can find